Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Amazon affiliate links to Canva website. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Amazon affiliates. After that, sign into your account and get to Stripe Pay from the Tools tab at the top. Once done, you will be redirected to this page. Here, you just need to click on the Learn More embed, and you will be redirected to this website, from where you can enable Stripe Pay. After you're done with that, get to Amazon.com and make sure you're logged in. Here, search for the product you would like to get an affiliate link for and access it. Once done, click on the Get Link button at top right corner, and then copy the link from the drop-down menu. Now, you just need to get to the Canva website editor. Here, scroll down and then get to the location where you would like to place the affiliate link. In order to add this link to text, simply select the target text, click on the link icon, and then paste the copied link. After that, click on the Done button, and you'll be good to go. In order to add this link to an image, simply choose and upload the image onto your website first. Once done, right-click on the image, select Link again, and then paste the copied affiliate link. After you're done with all of that, you just need to publish the website to save the changes, and you can then check if the links are working or not. So that's basically how you can add Amazon affiliate links to Canva website. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.